So, a lot of people want to learn AI right now, but the moment they start searching online, they run into the same problem. There's either expensive courses, overwhelming technical tutorials, or content that talks about AI without actually showing you how to build anything. And so, most people end up getting stuck and they watch videos, they read threads, they experiment with prompts, but they never really move from learning about AI to actually using AI to build real things. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn AI for free step by step. So let's get right into it. So the tool I'm talking about is called Adesua.ai. So I'm going to leave details of this tool in the description box so that you can check it out for yourself. But really, Adesua.ai helps you turn what you're learning into real working projects. So depending on what you really want to build, whether you want to build a website, you want to build an AI chatbot, you want to build AI automation tools, video projects, just think about it. Like, it gives you all the step-by-step guidance you need, and it also gives you an AI coach when you're stuck. And when you're done, you are also able to share your portfolio on social media. So it's very helpful, especially if, let's say, you're looking for a job or you need some of these tools for your business. Then you can just learn how to do it and then you can share them online. So let's start with how this platform works, right? So you need to first come onto the platform, and then you need to first sign up if you don't have an account. And then once you sign up, you'll be able to like start building with the platform. So let's start by signing up. Okay, I'm gonna click on sign up. Like, I already do have I already do have an account, so I just signed in. But if you don't have an account, you'd have to sign up first. And then once you sign up, there's a paid version and there's a free version, right? The free version gives you access to about 3 projects. But then with the paid version, you are able to get access to all the projects available, as well as the AI capabilities of the tool. But for the month of March, if you sign up for Adesua.ai, what happens is that you're going to get upgraded automatically to the paid version. There's no commitment for you to actually continue with it. And also, you don't need to enter your credit card or anything. You just have to sign up and then you get upgraded to the paid version. So I think it's actually a good deal. Okay, so when you sign up, you'd see a list of projects in here. So as you can see, there are so many projects in here that you can try out. If you, let's say, decide to, let's say, try out with this project that already has like 4 people enrolled, if you click on continue, you see all the steps you have. It tells you like how long it'll take you. So it's telling you that building this whole project will take you 4 hours. And then it tells you that you need at least 8 days to dedicate to this project. So this is super cool. And it gives you all the instructions you need, step by step, everything you need. So this project, for instance, is a voice receptionist for restaurant reservations, right? And it's sort of telling you that if you want to go with N8N, then go with the N8N cloud version. And it gives you even the price, so you have an idea of, okay, what you need to expect if you are going with that. And it gives you all the steps. And the cool thing about this tool is that if you get stuck, you can always use the AI coach here to help you get unstuck. And if the AI coach doesn't work for you and you want to talk like to a real human being, then you also have access to like a human expert, which you can book so that you get that one-on-one flow as well. So in addition to the pre-created projects here, let's say you come in here and you don't see like a project you want and you want to have your own specialized project, then all you can do is you come in here and you click on generate my project. And then in here, you can put in like what you want to build. I suggest that you be as specific as possible. Let's say I want to build a job search AI agent in N8N that helps draft my resume based on the job description, right? And tells me if it's a good idea to apply for it, right? Okay, if it's not, it tells me why. Okay, so I'm gonna click on next, and it's gonna ask you some few questions. So it's gonna ask you, for instance, do you want it to be code based or you want to use no code too? So I already mentioned anything, so I'm just gonna select the no code option here. It's asking how do you want to run anything. I'm probably just gonna say the cloud version, and then I'm just gonna say not sure. Gonna click on next, generate my project, and then it's gonna go through a process. Usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. I recommend you check it out because this tool would help you get unstuck in so many ways. And I know that a lot of people are watching tutorials, a lot of people are doing a lot of stuff, but then like you're probably not able to ship anything just because like the tutorial sometimes will skip certain important things, maybe it's heavily edited and all that. So this is a very good way for you to actually learn in this AI space. So as you can see, the steps has been generated for us. It's telling us that we can do this over the course of 7 days. And it's also saying if I should come into, let's say, my custom projects, maybe would get an idea of how long this is gonna take. So if I come in here, so it's saying that it's gonna take 3 hours to complete this build over 7 days. So I mean, you can, if you have all the time during the day, then you can basically do it. But it's breaking it down to like so this is 15 minutes, this is 20 minutes, this is about 25 minutes, this is also 35 minutes. As you can see, it's giving you like everything you need. Okay, if you need any form of if you need to write prompts, then it's actually giving you what you need to put even in the AI agents node. So this is great. It's telling you, like, let's say even if you have to configure node settings, right? It's telling you everything here. So this is super, super cool, guys. This is super cool. And actually, and if you get stuck, like I mentioned, you can always ask the AI coach that you're stuck, and it's basically going to assist you. So this is a great way. And like I mentioned, you can sign up for free, and then once you sign up, you get bumped up to like the paid version, and you don't have to actually add your credit card or anything. But yeah, I know I've been hiding for a long time. It's been a while since I showed up here, but I'm gonna try to be a lot more consistent. Yeah, if you found this video very helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share these videos. But that is it, guys. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.